guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and today I have a very special kit to show it to you guys if you have hair problems. And I am talking about the kit from Neemayu. This kit right here consists of 3 products and I am going to be showing you right now. This is how it looks. This is a complete hair kit which contains hair oil, shampoo and tablet. I have tried this kit for a month straight to sit here and give my complete thought about this product. So if you're interested to say goodbye to all the hair problems, then please continue watching. So I'm going to be going with the order in which you should apply it on your hair. The first product is the expert range Neemayu anti-hair fall oil. You just need to use it twice in a week. Massage this oil and then just keep it for 6 to 8 hours, or if you can, then keep it for overnight for better result. Then you should go ahead with the anti-hair fall shampoo from the same range. This will just help you to remove all the oiliness from your scalp, dirt, dandruff, everything under the sun. You also need to take this hair fall capsule every single day with milk or water, whatever you prefer. I prefer water, so I'm taking it with water. Right after using the hair oil, I'm showing you that I'm taking the capsule and I take it every single day. Inside this capsule, you can see there is a silica gel present, so there is no water contamination is happening. They help in absorbing all the moisture. I won't really recommend you to purchase this individually, but if you want to know the price of the products, the anti-hair fall shampoo retails for 699 rupees for 100 ml. The anti-hair fall shampoo retails for 999 rupees for 200 ml. Also, this capsule retails for 599 rupees for 60 capsules. Now, talking about my personal experience, I feel like the hair oil is extremely good. It does not become really greasy on the scalp. At a time, don't take a lot of oil. Very little amount goes a long way. I feel like it really helps in promoting hair growth. Speaking of the shampoo cleans your scalp in one go. You don't need to go twice with your shampoo, or you don't have to massage your scalp very vigorously to clean all of the gunks. It removes and after that your hair feels very smooth. You don't need to go on with the conditioner. If you really wish to, you can go, but you don't need to. For the capsule, when you are taking it, you will see your hair fall is reducing. You know how much I deal with hair fall. My hair fall is extreme, you guys, and let me tell you, it's not even under controllable situation. But this capsule especially, I believe, really helped in adding a texture, a different type of smoothness, and it also reduced my hair fall. So definitely I really enjoyed this kit and I highly recommend you guys. It's very inexpensive and it works, and you will definitely see changes on your hair fall, hair growth and hair texture within a month, I can assure you. And you can see, if you have seen my previous month's video, you have seen how much of bad hair I had. I had very rough hair. It could not get controlled over anything. So now I have very good controlled hair and nice texture to it, very smooth. So I can keep my hair open all the time while I'm sitting in front of the camera. The shampoo and the oil both are free from mineral oils, parabens, artificial colors and flavors. I highly recommend you guys to get this kit and just try it on yourself and you will thank me. I have a discount code which is flashing on the screen right here. It is exclusively for you guys. I have also put the discount code in the description box as well. In case you want to copy from there, you can do. Yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful in every other possible ways, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Let me know if you have any other queries in the comment section and I will happy to answer them all. Okay, bye.